This one, 8. So hey all, my name is Miss Njoki and today we are still enhancing beauty, okay? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a full glam makeup because I got a lot of comments, you guys telling me how I should show you everything in details from the eyebrows to the eyeshadow to the foundation, concealer, everything guys, okay? So first thing first, I moisturize my skin and then I'm going to be using this primer, okay? And then I'm going to be spreading. So actually for today guys, I think I'm going to start with the last thing to the first thing. Like I'm going to do a reverse makeup, okay? So we're going to start with the foundation, concealer. Yeah, for me, I like applying my foundation on my hand so that I'm going to apply it again, okay? So I'm going to use 2 shades. I love combining them. So it's going to bring a very good glam looking, okay? If you have this sponge, it's better you put it some little bit of water. Yeah. So this is going to blend it so well. The smaller the foundation, it goes round a very big part, okay? So don't worry about that. Remaining foundation is when you go upwards on your forehead. Remember, this part doesn't need a lot of foundation. So after that, if you feel like your foundation is enough, you can go in with your concealer now. In my under eyes, in the outwards part. Let the concealer to sit. Wait for the concealer, give it time like 3 to 4 minutes, okay? With my brown eye pencil. That I'll be going in with my eyeshadow palette. I don't know which color I'm going to be choosing. So when choosing your eyeshadow, you can definitely look what color you're going to put on your eyeshadow. That basically is going to tell you what color you're going to put on your lipstick, okay?
So let's do this. So I'm going to be applying a purple eyeshadow. So I'm going to look something that is similar to that purple, but not exactly, okay? So I'm going to go with this. Wow, I love it. After doing your lips, you can go back to your concealer and start blending. Remember, you just blend exactly where the concealer has just sat. Don't exaggerate. So after the first concealer, I noticed it was not shouting, so I had to add this one because I wanted this part to be really snatching, like to be really. So here I was trying to dry it a little bit quick. Then I started blending. This is how it should be looking like after blending it off. After that, you go in with your bronzer, the color of your choice, and then you start applying it on your nose, under the cheeks. I love this bronzer because it actually does a very good job because it warms that complexion, like it brings back the warmth in that face. You can really see how that. After that, I went on with my concealer. This is to snatch that cute nose, okay? Yeah, I love this. Look at that. You can already see the difference, guys. So after this, you can go in with your blusher of your choice. I was using this cream blusher. Then you blend. To make sure that your face is well lifted, apply the blusher on top of your cheek, on the highest point of your cheek, okay? So after that, you're going to take this loose powder, remove excess and tap into the concealer part, okay? This helps the concealer sit all through. After that, you can decide to do this optional method of putting loose powder on your cheeks, like for baking, as you continue with the rest of the part. Now you take your eye pencil and sharpen it. Make sure it's very well sharp. And then you come to your eyebrows. For sure, for the eyebrows, no much drama. Just follow your eyebrows. Why? Because concealer is gonna do the rest of its job. So you just take your concealer and follow the line that the eye pencil just laid it. No tension, nothing. Just follow the line as it is. Let's do the same procedure to the other eyebrows, guys. So you just follow the eye pencil mark. Follow it slowly. When you see any curved area, just curve it with the eye pencil, with the concealer. No much drama. Wow, you did it. The same procedure on the top of the eyebrows. So the upper parts need a little bit. Don't exaggerate, okay? After you're done, you take your blender and start blending the excess concealer. Then you're gonna fill the empty spaces. Whoop, and you're done. Let's go now to the eyeshadow position. You're gonna take your concealer and apply a little bit. Then you're gonna blend it out. Same thing to the other eye, okay? After that, I'll be going with this black shade as a base. Apply, then you blend it out. Then I'm gonna take this color just to make sure that the black is not really black, and then I'm gonna blend them together. So this is the color that it's gonna be giving after blending the black and the reddish. Now it's time to cut the crease. So when cutting the crease, it's very easy. You see where your eyelid folds? On top of it a little bit is where you're gonna place your concealer. On top of your eyelid, where the eyelid folds, you're gonna apply it on top. This is so easy. Actually, you just need a little bit of training, more and more training, and you're gonna do it so well like a pro. No hurry. And we are almost there, guys. Look at that. This is so cute. Wow. So exactly the same procedure you're gonna do to the other eye. After that, I'm gonna go with that purple shade and apply where I just cut the crease. For me, I wanted to go with only one color, the purple, all over. Then I highlighted the crease with black shade. This is optional, guys. I hope you can see that black highlight. After that, I applied some little bit of purple glitter. Just look at that. And now it's time for mascara. So I'm gonna apply my natural lashes. The next episode, I'm gonna show you how to put on lashes. And then I did my under eye lashes. Now we're gonna brush off the loose powder. After that, I'm gonna take my contour powder and apply on top of my makeup. This goes all over just to make sure my makeup sits all the day. I'm just applying a little bit, okay? Not too much, just a little bit. Then go in with your setting spray and you're gonna dry it off. After that, I'm just removing any excess powder. Then my lip gloss, I'm gonna apply it on top of my lipstick. Am I giving a 10 over 10? So I went in with this black eye pencil, a little bit of highlighter on my nose just to snatch that face, and on top of my forehead, my cheeks. Setting spray again, and look at that, guys. Am I giving? Is it a nay or a yay? Unbelievable. This is so cute, guys. Look at the blusher. Oh my god. Look at that. Girl, you better do this. Take that makeup and start learning. I love you so much, guys. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye. Toodles. Mwah.